Good morning. Today is September 25th, 2020, and today's refinishing project is located in Walnut Creek, California. Alright, so today we're going to be doing two separate fixtures in this same unit here in Walnut Creek. First one we have is this bathtub here. And as you can see, it's pretty worn out. On the bottom, the caulking's really bad. Some rust spots starting to form on the bottom. So we're going to be fully prepping and refinishing this bathtub here. And in the second bathroom, we're going to be, let's go over here. We're going to be refinishing this shower pan. It's a fiberglass shower pan. Very bad condition. Over time, the fiberglass just wears down as far as the gel coat, and the shine just wears out. So this one is fully worn out here, and so we're going to fully prep and refinish this shower pan as well. It's a full day, typically, to get these fixtures clean, prepped, and refinished. So we'll follow up once we're done. Thanks for watching. Alright, so we just finished up the bathtub and shower pan here in Walnut Creek, California. Let's take a look. Alright, so here's the bathtub. Fully refinished. And recaulked here. The color is a china white, similar to this toilet here. Alright, so here's the bathtub. Let's go look at the pan. Alright, here's a shower pan, fiberglass pan. Before it was really bad, really worn. There were some little chips and little gouges here and there in the fiberglass. Just over time, they wear down, and that happens. So had to patch some areas with fiberglass resin, sand it, and do the prime and refinish on this pan as well. And then of course recaulked it on this one. Alright, so there it is, both fixtures completed. And if you're interested in any of our refinishing services, you can reach us at 925-516-7900, and we service the entire Bay Area. Thanks for watching.